Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this twisted pop-up card. See, when we open this is the first card on the top of the card. See, it has your hearts and you can write your sentimental messages. Then when we open up this pop-up card comes up, you can stick the pics here, you can write the sentiments here and here also. So let's start. For that we need designer paper, craft paper, glue, scissor, satin ribbon, this is double side tape, this is optional, and pencil. So let's start. First we'll take this 16 by 8 centimeter, we'll fold it into half. And then just open it, fold in this manner also. Now this is the center line, we'll fold in this manner. Open it. Now we'll push this to push this part in. This way. Now we'll take this is 20 by 8, we'll just fold into half and then again to half. Fold it properly. Now just open it. Now just do the fan fold this way, this way. Now I'll take this card. This is 24 by 10 and I fold it into half, so it will open in this manner, this way. Now I have cut this from designer paper, we'll just glue it here. Same thing apply here also. This manner. So this. Now let this dry. We'll come to this part again. See here. On this one, I have cutted this designer paper. We'll stick on this in this manner. Yeah, just stick it. See, I have stick this on. So when you open it, it will look in this manner. Now we'll take this card and we'll find the center. We'll mark it. This is 10 centimeter. So this is the center, 5 centimeter. Here. Now I'll take this and we'll stick it here. So first apply glue only on the triangle and just hold it properly in the center and close this. So this way. Then on the other side. Just close it. Press it properly. This way. So when you will open this card, this will pop up like this. This one. Now let this dry and we'll come to the front side. See, I have created this one more card from the designer. People will stick on this, but before that I'll glue some hearts. I have punched this hearts from a craft paper, so I'll glue it here. This one. Same thing apply here also. You can write here your message and say this. Now we'll stick this on the card. This one. Glue. Stick this on the card. This manner. Just open it and stick this. So this way. So this will be card. Now I'll come to the inner part again. Just open your card fully and this will stick here. So this is the middle part and here also take the middle. Join the two middles and then just with the help of pencil, just mark this portion, and same thing on the upper side but down portion. This will glue it here and here. Just apply glue. Press it properly, let it dry. So now it is dry. We can close this card in this manner. See, when we'll open it, so this is a pop-up, twisted pop-up card. You can write message here, or stick a pic over here. You can decorate as you like. It's your creativity. Now at last we'll tie this ribbon. So here I'll put a double side tape this way in the center and just take the center of the ribbon. This way, just stick it. This much. And now just tie a bow see this, you can cut the extra ribbon. Here it is. See how beautiful and elegant and personalized it looks. See, you can write your sentiments, messages, and here comes the twisted pop-up card. You can stick the pics here, write the messages here. And I hope you enjoy my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new upload. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.